Our storm coverage continues down the coast, and that's where we find WMTW News 8's Jim Keithley. He is live in Wells for us tonight. So, Jim, what can you tell us?
Well, Tracy, you can see it's coming down at a pretty good clip. I don't have to tell you, you can see it. We are right along the water's edge here in Wells, in the area known as Casino Square. There are a couple of hotels here. We spoke with a captain at the local fire department. He says that they are more concerned about the high tide tomorrow morning, not so much the high tide that's coming in within the next hour or so. The captain tells me that they've got extra manpower on tonight and tomorrow morning. They've got 2 of the 3 fire stations staffed. Normally they have just 1 during the weekend. They are concerned about storm surge, street damage, and also, of course, beach erosion here along the beach. I also spoke with the EMA director up in Saco, and he told me that, you know, at the blizzard in January 27th, they had opened up all these shelters and such, and they said they're just not doing it this time because nobody turned out for the last blizzard, and they said they will remain on standby, however, in case of power outages, and only at that time will they determine and decide whether to open up any shelters. So that's really the scene here in York County. I'm Jim Keithley reporting from Wells, WMTW News 8.